Hear that? That constant, maddening drip is the sound of money going down the drain. It's hard to believe, but a single faucet dripping just once per second wastes over 3,000 gallons of water a year. That's enough for about 180 showers. The good news? You don't need to call a plumber. I'm going to show you how to fix this yourself, fast and easy, with just a few tools you probably already have. Alright, before we even think about touching that faucet, we have to do two critical things. First, shut off the water. Look under your sink for two handles, hot and cold, and turn them clockwise until they stop. If you can't find them, shut off the main water supply. Second, and trust me on this, close the sink drain. You're going to be dealing with tiny screws and parts, and this one simple move will save you from a massive headache later. It's also smart to lay a small towel down in the sink basin to protect the finish and catch anything that tries to get away. Gather your tools. Bring old parts to the hardware store to get an exact match. For older compression-style faucets, pop off the decorative cap, remove the screw, and lift off the handle. Loosen the packing nut and pull out the valve stem. Replace the washer at the bottom and the O-ring around the stem. If you have a cartridge faucet, remove the retaining nut, pull the cartridge, and slide in the new one. Most single-handle faucets use a cartridge, ball, or ceramic disc inside. Start by removing the handle. For cartridge types, remove the clip, swap in the new cartridge, and align it correctly. For ball faucets, replace the worn rubber seats and springs inside the faucet body. For ceramic disc faucets, replace the neoprene seals at the base. Turn the water supply back on slowly to release trapped air. Test the faucet several times to ensure no leaks. Flush out debris by removing and cleaning the aerator. And there you have it. No more drip, and you saved water, money, and time. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more DIY savings. If the leak's stubborn or parts are rusted solid, that's when you call a pro. But for most fixes, you've got this. Thanks for watching.